Mega love, mega shout out. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin channel, please do hit the notification bell and subscribe so you will be notified for my next vlog. And for today's video, meron po tayong gagawin. We will do something the same, my favorite unboxing thing. Okay? So again, I ordered another, what's new? I ordered another pair of shoes 3 days ago, and it was delivered yesterday morning, afternoon, evening, yeah. So I was not here in the office, so now I got it. It's here. Again, once again, for my favorite online shop. And this one, guys, is a series of colors of my collection of shoes. Okay, the same brand but different color, and the design. The design is So, come. I want to share with you this one. I'm so excited, guys. And the brand is Palladium. So Palladium is yes, this is Palladium brand. Palashak Mid TT Dusky Green. Yes, the size is dusky green and the size is 9. Okay, I will open now. Shada! This is the one. Yes. Dusky green. Yeah, I really like the design for this, guys. See? It's very unique, eye-catching. I don't want to brag, but I already did an unboxing of Palladium. Like, I have the same design. I have black here, or red, and the other one is all the same. So the design is black, white, and this one is red. I have also white, lighter white for this, and the design here is red, and this one is dusky green. See. Authentic style. So, thank you so much for watching. Hit the notification bell and like my video. Thank you so much. God bless. See you in my next vlog.